His physical health greatly improved and his spirits buoyed by the latest political developments. An eager president headed to the campus of the Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Maynila to help break ground on the site of an institution which will eventually train the next generations of medical professionals. This report. With the aim of further strengthening not only education but also the health sector, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. led the groundbreaking ceremony for the Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Maynila College of Allied Health Science building. This is a 5-story building that aims to provide a state-of-the-art college of medicine featuring modern classrooms, laboratories, simulation rooms, and research facilities.
Sa pagbibigay ng pondo upang maipatayo ang atong pasilidad na ito, layon ng pamahalaan na mabigyan ng oportunidad ang mga estudyanteng nangangailangan na makapag-aral sa mahusay na universidad.
Its target is to become an academic hub that will train the next generation of medical professionals. Here, underprivileged but determined students of the city of Manila will be given the opportunity to take medical courses such as physical therapy, medicine, nursing, and others.
Nakakasiguro ako na huhubugin ng eskwelahang ito hindi lamang ang kaalaman at karanasan ng ating mga future na doktor, ngunit pati na ang kanilang prinsipyo at ang kanilang karakter.
The president also acknowledged the challenges in education and healthcare in the country, which is why the government has ensured measures to address them, such as the allocation of 500 billion pesos to the health sector. This in addition to various programs such as the zero balance billing and the provision of medical scholarships in state universities.
Lahat ng ito ay inaasahang magpapabuti ng serbisyong medikal at magpapalakas ng ating health sector. Hindi na po natin hahayaang magtiis sa sakit ang ating mga kababayan dahil sa kawalan ng pagtustos at pagpagamot. Hindi natin hahayaang nahihirapan ang mga pamilya sa mga probinsya dahil sa layo ng kanilang lalakbayin para makarating sa ospital.
Once construction is complete, around 5,000 students are expected to graduate from the school to be built each year. This is Sharms Espina from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.